Welcome to AKPGK channel. This is your ultimate guide for cracking competitive exams like bank, railways, PSC, SSC, UPSC, WBCS, Navy, Air Force, JEE Main, IIT, and many more. Get the best tips, strategies, and updates to achieve success. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Question number 1. Which country became the largest producer of green hydrogen in 2024? Option A. India. Option B. China. Option C. United States. Option D. Germany. The right answer, option number A. India. The next question, number 2. Who was appointed as the new Chief Justice of India in November 2024? Option A. Justice Sanjay Karol. Option B. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Option C. Justice Pankaj Mithal. Option D. Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt. The right answer, option number C. Justice Pankaj Mithal. The next question, number 3. Which Indian organization launched the PSLV Sea Fleet mission recently? Option A. ISRO. Option B. DRDO. Option C. HAL. Option D. BR. The right answer, option number A. ISRO. The next question, number 4. Which country won the 2024 MotoGP Constructors' Championship? Option A. Italy. Option B. Spain. Option C. Japan. Option D. Germany. The right answer, option number B. Spain. The next question, number 5. What is the name of the Indian operation to evacuate citizens from conflict zones in West Asia in 2024? Option A. Operation Shakti. Option B. Operation Ajay. Option C. Operation Suraksha. Option D. Operation Kavach. The right answer, option number B. Operation Ajay. The next question, number 6. Who was awarded the 2024 Booker Prize for Fiction? Option A. Shehan Karuna Tilaka. Option B. Anne Enright. Option C. Jonathan Escoffery. Option D. Eleanor Catton. The right answer, option number C. Jonathan Escoffery. The next question, number 7. Which country recently launched the world's first AI-powered weather satellite? Option A. China. Option B. United States. Option C. Japan. Option D. India. The right answer, option number A. China. The next question, number 8. Who won the 2024 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup? Option A. Australia. Option B. India. Option C. England. Option D. South Africa. The right answer, option number B. India. The next question, number 9. Which Indian city will host the 2025 G20 Summit? Option A. Mumbai. Option B. New Delhi. Option C. Bengaluru. Option D. Hyderabad. The right answer, option number C. Bengaluru. The next question, number 10. What is the name of the recently discovered antibiotic that can fight drug-resistant bacteria? Option A. Novomycin. Option B. Teichobactin. Option C. Solamicin. Option D. Ampicin. Right answer, option number B. Teichobactin. Thanks for watching AKPGK. For more updated, you must like, share, and subscribe.